the Philippine Air Force.
Fellow riders, mga pwede pong maupo na tayo muna at makabahaba yung programs natin, but we will try to cut it short. So, Rob, can you please, Debs, you will sit down. So, thank you again. We will start our program. This is our program for today that we're going to discuss. First off, we're going to introduce our officers and board of directors of Boracay LMFI para kilala niyo sila. So, ito po yung ating mga officers ngayon for LMFI along with the board of directors. Yours truly, Federico Junjagol po. Sa club po namin sa Mendoza, may road name is J-Bird. J-Bird. Well, every road name has a story. For Element 5, Junjagol po. Wala lang kung pagkakamali, baka yung hindi mapalitan ng B. May masesensor po tayo. So, of course, Joel Donato, our Vice President for Internal. And Jerry Dimayuga, our Vice President External. Of course, kinala lahat, love, December. And Roderick, our Treasurer. Auditor pala, sorry. PJ Roa, of course, our Treasurer. Of course, one of the founding members of LMFI and past presidents of LMFI as well, Kuya General B. Pasek. Yes. Of course, full-time past presidents also of LMFI, Francis Rivera. And of course, my good friend, one of the founding pillars of LMFI, Good Chase from Palawan. Thank you for coming. And of course, the past president of LMFI, who hosted the last year's convention, Roy Villanueva from Bicol Steelhorses. He wasn't able to attend. And Julian Goitan is not here, he's now in the US. Okay, and these are the list of LMI presidents and their hosted convention. Para meron po tayong idea. Some of them have already passed away. From 1997, Attorney Benjamin Manas. It's the 1997 LMFI convention, followed by Randy Erma, who also passed away from Macdo, year 2000. 2003, Beagle Horses, our Arturo Douglas Nazareno, also past president, who also passed away. 2006, Bigan, Boss Francis Rivera. 2009, Baguio, our very own from Lawi, also from Widow Sons, General Ray Biroya. 2012, by Clark Angeles by Julian Goita, by I think Bikers Unlimited. 2015, Tagaytay by General Dipase of Lerap. 2018, Legazpi Beagle Steel Horses by our immediate past president, Raul Villanueva. And hopefully, in 2024, we're going to do it in Subic. Widow Sons will be the host.
The pandemic, nakita naman ninyo, we were dormant. Although, we have some activities, pero hindi ganun ka. So, let's jump start for the new LMF5 Preparatory to the National Convention. Maraming po salamat sa pagdating ninyo. Welcome to the LMF5 Club.
My positions actually, if you recall, I'm not the actual president of LMFI. It's Admiral Cortez, who is the president of Philippines Philippines. But he has a calling now in the government agency. Our government recalled him for a particular position that he cannot function as LMFI president. So he asked me to replace him. So whether you like it or not, wala po kayong magagawa. Kailangan pagtyagaan nyo ako for the remainder of my term. So, again, sana po huwag kayong umalis. May mga konting giveaways po yung Element 5. Meron po tayo dito mga solo accommodation sa Sogo.
Solo?
Meron po tayo mga konting courtesy of lifestyle riding and other sponsors. So, hindi na po natin pagtatagalin. Hindi ko lang kung tama yung setup eh. I thought it's going to be like a meeting. And I'm in front of you standing, presiding the meeting. So, anyway, before we move on the liturgy, I will call on first our good friend, Good Chase, to at least give a brief historical overview about Element 5. Where it started, who started it,
Nag-aaral ako sa Batangas ng 4 na taon. Nasuwatin sa Bulacan para mas malalim ang Tagalog. Umatin kami sa Mindanao, National Federation of Motorcycle Clubs. Nag-bid kami para sa 1997 convention. tayo natin yung Luzon Motorcycle Federation para magkaroon tayo ng convention sama-sama tulungan. So, ang nangyari noon, 1997, bawat club, may committee. Kaya namin nabuo yung 1997 convention. Dito kayo, ako, malapit na wala sa mundong ito, no? Sana maging tuloy-tuloy. Maging tuloy-tuloy. Kasi ako, walang biro. Ako rin nirespeto ko yung mga nauna sa atin noon. Yes. Iniimbitahan ko yung aking wala dito. Baka natutulog pa. So yun. Kaya ako talagang pumunta para makita mo kayo. Dahil wala na eh. O wala na tayo. Ito eh. Tatay ko nagdadyan si Dian Pase. Malo. Si Manny. Kaya nga yung mga dating mga sakatalang namin na wala. Ano lang yung mga yun, bumuto sa taas yun. Yes. Wala, sir.
Yes. Hi, Douglas Nazareno, Attorney Manas, Manny Magiyad, who else? May ibang mga riders talaga na when they started. Ngayon siguro nag-say sila for motorcycle is inside diversion road or the freeways of dito. Tingin ko wala, lahat may bayad. Silex lang yata. Okay. Ang motor ng time na yon siguro sa Ilocos lang at saka sa Mindanao. Walang mga dealership. Wala yung malalaki nakikita natin na mga kung saan-saan. At ako naman, kahit na ako isa sa mga pioneering member nga pala, ang aking grupo na nire-represent ay Big Bike Riders Association for Touring Sports. Brats. Pabata, yung mga time na yun, kasi may Cinderella pa eh, yung mga clothing. Brats, hindi ko alam ba't ko pinapuntahan. I saw some of the old riders na nagtayo na naging sariling grupo na nanggaling sa amin. Hindi ko na lang sila sasabihin na real lang yan. Yung iba talagang nag-start ng mga racing, na likes of Jolette Howe, sina Andres, mga nasa amin yan. Some youngsters na nanalo doon sa karera ng Ironman. Yung mga Team Kirap, Babo. Anyway, ang 1997 nung pumasok tayo sa National Motorcyclist Federation, yan ay inumpisahan ng Manolet Lamata sa Bacolod. Kasama pa yan namatay na si Danding Kuwangko. Yung mga kami noon kasi pala yung mga second hand, yung mga motor namin, sila nakabahay na itong Honda, yung malalaki, Goldwing. Yan, may atras. Imagine mo, ordinaryo ka ng rider na nakakita ka ng motor na atras, di ba? Parang ibang klase yung feeling. Sabi ko nga, dito na ako sa grupo na to. So, 1995, nagkaroon sila ng convention. Sinabi nila that was the first convention, national convention, pero ilang members lang ang dumating. So, kung consider mo ang mga tiga Luzon, ang talagang first exposure nila, experience nila ay nung sa Davao, nung second National Motorcyclist Federation. Tapos nag-bid doon si Mr. Butch Chase na sinasabi niya 60 years ago na raw ay may federation na sila. I'm sorry, Mr. Butch Chase, that hindi pa kami pinapanganak mo. Kaya, sorry ang talagang alam ko na legit na motorcycle federation sa Luzon ay ang Element 5. Palampakan natin po ang sabay po na nabanggit ko namatay, mga nakamatay na, nagpunta sa langit, si General D. Pase, si Butch Chase, mabuhay po, Francis Rivera, at kamamatay lang ni Jen Vere. Sila po talaga hindi po ako naging presidente ng Luzon Motorcycle Federation, pero lahat po nitong mga naging presidente dito, naging VP po nila ako. VP Interland, Titirahan lang po, Mr. Debbie Di Mayuga. Yung pong ating mga VP po ngayon. At saka po, noong 1997, nung nag-convention na tayo, dito na nag-start yan sa Tagaytay. Pagkatapos, doon po nakita ng karamihan ang pinakamalayong ride ng isang buong contingent ng mga riders. Imagine ride from Tagaytay going up to Baguio. Kontrolin mo yung 100 of less than 1,000 motorcycle na 500 ganyan pumasok sa loob ng expressway. Doon makikita yung lakas ng grupo pagka talaga nagsama-sama. Sino magpapapasok sa expressway? Hindi pa naman tayo enter expressway. Nakita ko na rin po dito yung mga scooters na ka-experience na nakapasok sa loob ng expressway. There were times iniisip ko po bakit dapat namin na ilagay lamang sa 400cc ang pagpasok sa expressway kung yung palang mga 250, 300, pwede naman po palang to go face with the sana matuloy yung kay Congressman Singson, 145 kilometers an hour na naman tayo, pinipilit niyang gano'n para hindi naman tayo magtago. Marami na lang dyan sa PPLEX. Very big space for all of us. Anyway, I won't hold you long. I cut this one short. Convention tayo ng 1997. Dito ginawa. Natulog po si Butchers. Dahil sa Tagaytay, ginamit natin yung trucks ni Jack at saka mga facilities sa Makati na pinagamit sa amin ni Jack Enrile. Mr. Jack Enrile. So ngayon, hindi na siya masyado. Akala ko nga ho, factory ng Posporo, yung pala ay showcase ng kanyang mga laruan. Anyway, Gerald Pasek, you have the floor right now. Can you finish these things? Ha? Okay. Sige. Ganito lang talaga ang rider. Hindi ko alam paano maging formal. There's no such thing as parliamentarian. Wag lang yung sa meeting talaga ng mga executives sa LMFI. I think hindi mo mapipigil ng bikers. Bikers, live to ride nga sabi nila, pero magaling makisama. Yes. Yung mahaman. Kung nagkakamali po si Butch, patawag na tawag sa akin si Manny. I have a brother who died. Pangalan ko yung Manuel, ako yung Manolo. Kaya ako yung junior niya.
Debbie ba?
Oo.
First time kami nakita niyo.
Pareho kayo may picture ng girl sa tabi. Pareho may mga girls sa tabi.
Nakikita ko na sa Viper eh. Nagkatawa kami yan. O, pero marami sulit yan. Sabi niya sa akin, Butch, di ka na matanda.
Yes! Tingin po, ang LMFI ay matatag. Malaki ang membership. Minsan po konti ang membership at bigla na namin. Maraming salamat po sa maraming pagpayat mo yung kumakontact to get in touch with the members, our secretary na vlog. At ito po, sigurado, itutuloy ng ating present officers headed by our president, Mr. Brother Joe. Yeah!
And organizations within Luzon to foster nakita nyo, yung past club officers, they were able to turn over at least 300,000. 300,000. So we have something to start with. Our intention, the intention of the cabinet officers is actually to grow it. Now, with the help, sabi ko nga, with the help of members, we can increase the funds through outsourcing. So,
sorry po at hindi nakatinig yung aming presidente na sinabi ng that protest dahil po may isang business flight, business trip sa ibang bansa. Ano ba yung sa akin na ba? Ayun. Yun nga po pala, yung annual convention, kami po na Widow San, kasama nyo at sa tulong nyo, i-host po natin yung 2024 annual motorcycle convention, motorcycle federation. Okay, so ito po napakatagal na pinaghandaan namin, pero ano po siya, na-decline dahil sa pandemic. Pero sabi nga po namin, yung isang taon ng preparation ay kulang. So kami po ngayon, kaya natin ito, nagdo-double time para po i-prepare natin mas maganda at mas maayos. Lahat po kayo ay aming iniimbitahan. Sana po, nihingi po namin, nakikiusap kami, malapit kami sa inyo at lulumuhod kami, natulungan kami, at supportahan kami sa darating na convention. Maraming salamat.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let me just introduce myself. My name is Cherry Hinaga. I'm the founder of Lifestyle Riding. Don't keep your eyebrows up yet, knowing and asking who is this Lifestyle Riding, because I'm about to explain everything thoroughly this morning. So this is a collaboration that we intend to have with LMFI, and the goals that I set earlier is mainly for three things. First is we don't intend to change your riding culture. Lifestyle Riding will be an aggregator of establishments, as I was mentioning earlier, where you can get unique perks. Normally, I'm a rider myself. I'm from the Canang Moto PH. This is the 3-wheel bike, and I also do the 2 wheels at the same time. And I'm able to convince our club president to actually on board with LMFI as well. We are a very small group, and we seldomly ride, but when we do, we have very limited choices, or otherwise, we keep repeating on the establishments that we go to. So I think as a rider, I kind of noticed that one, and I thought of why not help the other establishments who are not really known or riders have not discovered. So on a regular basis, you are able to go around and go to those establishments, pero iibahin natin ng konti yan mamaya. The second goal that we're trying to set here is to promote individually club brand value. We don't put attention to our brand. It is only during official gatherings like this that I bring in Lifestyle Riding into the highlight. But this is no similar format with other platforms that they promote and they become successful because as a content, sila yung nakikilala. With Lifestyle Riding, when we provide the content, we make sure that the ones being highlighted are the clubs that we feature. Not the celebrity, not the vlogger, or not even the channel. So, it wants to bring the lifestyle of these individuals as a rider on a medium that they can appreciate. Not everybody is internet savvy, which is why we have a channel in Signal TV, this is channel 107, that will be airing by the second semester. So I should say, or second quarter or the third, because we are leaving for the motor run month. So we might as well cover that experience and let it be the pilot for Lifestyle Riding. For the third goal that we have is Lifestyle Riding equips the federation, which is why we are tapping them to digitalize its networking means, wherein that way we would be able to develop loyalty among your community and establish the reputation of being a central hub for motorcycle enthusiasts. My next slide will elaborate the 1, 2, 3. So the first one is like we are writing to establishments and introducing them, specifically not club, but inviting them a particular moto club wants to establish their establishment. This is a very interesting story, by the way. I piloted it with one specific club. I have to mention the name. He's the president of that club, and he became my co-founder here. If you did not realize there are 53 Sundays, can you come up with 53 locations? Can you? This is a problem not known, but in realization, you have to think about that. As riders on a weekend basis, there are 53 Sundays. Out of those 53 Sundays, umulit ba kayo sa isang specific restaurant, club? Yes, that is absolutely correct. But in terms of establishments, there are over 1,000 of different places that you can go through. But you did not realize that. Because nobody wants to do the admin part. Talking, calling, making the booking. Ang gusto lang ng rider umalis, mag-ride. Diba? So that is the gap that we're trying to fill in there. With lifestyle riding, with LMFI, we try to arrange those for you, give you a choice, a selection, and you will be freely able to choose any of those. And not only that we are recommending those places, there is actually a business commercial model of that one, where when you go there, you automatically have an arrangement of getting discounts, upgrades, etc., etc. Those are already arranged. And it is up to the club, next please, and it is up to the club whether they like to keep this perks or discount or incentive, or they like to give it outright to their members. This is a way for the club to find an outlet for fundraising, if that even applies to you. If you do not like to keep those money, you can give it outright as an incentive to your members. So I'll leave it up to you guys. So basically, how do you entice your members to join on those rides? Aside from the fact that they are able to get discounts, we will help you with all those marketing for them. We provide you with the posters, we provide you with the marketing, we will give you like proper PR releases prior and after. And it is optional that whoever onboards on the lifestyle riding official rides, we will be inviting you to be interviewed to different media channels that we have. Since Signal is also owned by TV5, with TV5 different other shows. In fact, one of the writers of the Ride PH of Jay Taruk is the writer of Lifestyle Riding. So we are trying to pull people who have ride expertise, because I humbly represent somebody who is pretty much a newbie in this industry. My background does not belong so much in the motorcycle field, but I have been in the events and marketing field for 15 years. And I am directors of different festivals, namely the Craft Beer Association. I'm the director of that association. So having to spearhead a group of highly dominated gentlemen is not new to me, because I also take care of the Craft Beer Association, which are 100 brewers in the country. And as an advocacy, I try to promote something that belongs to a specific community. Our next slide will show a follow-up on what President June was mentioning earlier, wherein why join LMFI. When you are on board with LMFI, these are the things that are automatically able to be provided to you. So I'll do a round through of that. So you have your discounts, your complimentary branding, your PR facility, and as he was mentioning, since we have tie-ups with locations, places, and sponsors, we are able to extend this to you guys. Next. Am I boring you guys because you are starting to have a chit-chat with your people beside you? Yeah, I can hear murmurs on the side. You know, this is the only time I can have a chance to talk to you guys. Some other weekends I'm not around anymore, so I hope you give this attention to me. It's not very long. Okay? Thank you. I'm sorry, I don't want to call out noisy boys here. Okay. So how to join in this one? I said earlier that online TV and radio. When you are part of it, when we run shows on Signal TV, it is automatic also that is running on Radio 5, 92.3, Radio 5 through FM 92.3. Okay? A fellow executive producer, as I am, is a friend of mine who's running a Monday to Friday show. And she's willing to extend all the interview feature of the clubs who will be supporting us. Okay? And And of course, as you know, this is more of like a that's my promo time. It's not really a promo, but arrangements for the first 5 motor club during this day. We will automatically prioritize you on the interview for the media that can take place anytime soon. Okay, and the last one, I think on the slide that we can do next. Okay, and this is like auxiliary to what President June was mentioning earlier about his plans for the 2024 Federation, for the National Convention. We are also able to show and give support in any case. As he was mentioning, there's QR code and all that. Boom. This is the digital marketing part of lifestyle riding. When we can give as a support to LMFI, we can officially put a messenger app in service on your Facebook. We can put an official, I don't know guys if you know how Viber community works. You have to have a certain number of quantity of people in order for you to be, alam niyo sa Viber, may check na blue. Kasi pag walang check na blue, anybody can just click that. But for lifestyle riding, when we make you as an official Viber community, we can automatically onboard you as an official verified account. Because lifestyle riding under my company, Manilapreneur, has been doing this for many clients already. So as an account, we are able to certify that the group has been legit and it can be given a blue check. Okay? So that's for Viber. Wala na yung slide sa Viber. Balik sa Viber. So if you pertain to that screen, in your so ganito na yung digitalize natin si LMFI. So we are going to forget about the normal and common needs. On your Viber, you can aggregate, and in the future, I don't know, God willingly, you guys can have a social marketplace there. If you guys want to. Kasi kayo naman nagbegantahan ng mga ano-ano yung gadgets, whatever. So, kung ka na sa legit, kasi nandun siya sa community. Now, aside, you don't need to download any app. Which is nice, kasi if you have it on the app, dadagdag lang yan sa space. But with Messenger and Viber, which I know you guys already have that, you can always do that. And lastly, this can be given to you instead of having membership, etc., with no specific reason why you're a member. We can actually develop a card base that will have all your rebates and discounts and also can function as an ATM card to you as members of LMFI. Okay? Next. So, I guess that caps it. I took so much of your time already. If it's something that would interest the club, I have sent letters specifically addressed to each of the president. You can always have a session with me to discuss it further, especially the need to have you guys featured in our pilot show. Thank you very much.
Hi. My name is ATP Wonder, aka Batman of Philippines. We have come to the part of today's President Meet event, the contract signing between Lifestyle Riding and LMFI. This agreement represents a significant milestone for both parties, and we are excited to have you all here to witness this momentous occasion. Allow me to once again present Lifestyle Riding founder, Ms. Cherry Ginaco, and of course, LMFI and National Federation of Motorcycle Clubs of the Philippines 2023 to 2024, President June Diagono. The purpose of this agreement is to establish partnership between Lifestyle Riding and LMFI, which allow both parties to successfully achieve their respective visions and products.
Nakailang ganito ka na?
Ano yan, analysis?
We just can't get wrong.
ba dito yung point na, asa ba dito yung point ng sustento? Ilang beses na pumirma nun eh.
Ay, napirma ko yung part mo. Invite mo ulit na. Bakit ulit ka back? Okay, exchange. Patay na tayo.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll now open up to the floor to questions from the audience, and please state your name, Media Club, before asking your question. Any questions from the audience? Wala. Carry on.
Objection daw.
Okay, now it's time for the signing contract between Lifetime Riding and LM Macau.
Okay, we're done.
Okay. Now contract has been signed. Before we conclude, I'd like to take this moment to quick photo session to capture this important moment. May I request the co-founder of Lifetime Riding, President Aris Lansing of the Country Club, South to join us with Sherry and the audience.
For the side of LMFI.
For the side of LMFI, may we call on the two PPs. We have Joel Donato and Denny. Di ba yun?
Those that shall herein after be adopted shall benefit the Federation. And finally, I shall impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation and purpose of evasion. So help me God. Let us congratulate.
Thank you, Sir Francis, to award, of course, the certificate of membership to those 3 clubs. Anyway, for those accredited clubs, the certificates will be issued as well. I will share it through Google Drive, so you can download it. Sir Kemal, please.
Certificate of membership, Luzon Motorcycle Federation.
General,